Hello, my dear friends. I hope you are well. In this video, I talk about one of the most topics about markets. I know you all love it. You heard price action? I think you all heard these words. But you should know about why are you know about these words or okay, let's go. But you should see this video for 3 or 4 times. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Price action. I write this, my speak and tag. If you write on your notebook, you have these words or sentences. What is price action trading? Price action trading is simply looking at how prices change on the chart without any indicators. Without any indicators is very exciting. And because we have a lot of indicators and you should, what is a job, what are they doing? This is very exciting. Price is the key to all movement in the markets. Don't just Forex, all the market, you know? And being able to redraw price will give us the edge we need to profit in the markets. Remember, price action trading is applicable to all formats of investing. It just depends on the time frame you are using. My plan is are, you can work in market with time frame 1 second or 1 minute. It's very short time frame, just you see this video for 3 or 4 times. There are strictly no indicators in price action trading. Price is the only truth and is always driven by the dynamic of the daily supply and demand. Price is happening now, hence you're always in the present and never is the past or the future. You know, you should live in the present. You don't live in the past or the future. If you for example, has bad time in the past, don't thinking about it. Just study about it. You know what am I saying? Okay, continue. Um, Now, why price action is superior to indicators? Why? Indicators are the function of price. They are always delayed. Price tell the truth, will in the advance. Price is like live cricket. Indicators are highlights of the same match. Since they are delayed, they will destroy your edge in the long run and reduce your risk to reward. Risk to reward in all market is answer, and possible it is strategy. Moving average crossover is the biggest fraud indicators in the planet. It's always giving signal very late. Very late is very late giving signal without considering the current and facts about the markets. Okay, now the basic bar charts, they are candles. But you see some candles in charts, but this is basic bar chart. Now I talk about it and you should good listen. Are you ready? Okay. This is green candle, and we say bullish candle. And this is red candle, and this is bearish candle. This is green candle. What is that? Excuse me. A candle has foreign frame information. What is it? Open. What does it mean? It is price open in this. Okay? For example, this is $4. This is open. Okay. Price is up. Where's my mouse? Um, this is up. But don't. This is close. Okay. This is up and high. But people don't believe it. This high. And excuse me, my page is exact and I continue. Okay. What am I saying? Okay. And the candles has four information: open, close, high, and low. Open is prices in this open, and close the people is believe this candle it has this price and close price. Okay, and starting next candle. What is it? High and low. High is top of price in this candle and low this down price in this candle. And but in this bearish candle, open is this, but open in bullish candle is this. Why? Because bullish candle is green. Okay, if open in bullish candle is this, what's happening? Okay, open open is this, and price is up, and this is now green. But in bearish candle, open is this, now is down, price is down, and this is close. Now this is bearish candle or red candle. And in this high top of price, low is down price, and open close is the most exciting information in this candle. And now I talk about price action. What is it? Birthday, where is it birthday? What is it birthday? How is it birthday? Okay, let's go. Japanese candlesticks. The Japanese candlesticks were invented by rice traders in ancient Japan. Steve Nissen book made it popular in the United States. It is much superior to line charts and bar charts for visually. Excuse me, I should drinking water. Excuse me. Okay, let's go. It is much superior to line charts and bar charts to visualization. The biggest advantage is their clarity. They will help you a lot in the coming days after price action journey. Now you see these candles on chart. Okay, bullish candle, bearish candle. This is in bullish candle. This is open,